Did you know that you can get rid of your mail pile with 5 folders? 5 folders save the day. You can make them pretty ones like this, or you can make whatever your kitchen decor is or wherever you open your mail. So, what are the 5? The first one is calendar. That takes everything off the refrigerator, so you don't have to have those papers there. The second one is to do, but you don't write anything and put it in the to do file until you write it on a master list, which could be a little spiral notebook like this that sits right with your paper 5 file folders. The third one is to decide, and that takes care of a lot of papers. That way they're in here and you wake up one morning and say, I'm going to do that. Or else you wake up at the end of the week and go, oh, I'm just going to throw them all out. That way you take care of them. The fourth one is information. And then on information, that is things like that are coming up, like schedules for soccer, for basketball. And then the last one, put your name. And that way you can have your interest, anything that's important to you. And you can also put file folders for other people in the family. But make sure you go through them at the end of the week with them, if not every night. Okay, 5 file folders will save the day of a messy mail pile, and you will have a clean counter and enjoy it all the time. Go to organizingpro.com and get all your paper organizing done in my class, Paper Organizing Made Easy. I'll see you there.